Snip Sunday cho thoma na cho guma chindo do nda perform khacho.
Metro SMG.
Metro SMG. Ufonga ro rap amachuzi. Mwana and uramba ngo rap my brother there's nothing. Ana chitu chine ngari kuchi offera rap game. Yanga
iswiki afa. Yanga. But that time ndakana konyaga 2FB yote.
Ndakonyaga yote because I remember wakesho mbo dimphone nda raba na conversation blind. Ndambuzo no bro. If I was sending shots at you that doesn't send the shot straight. That's what I said.
Yeah.
Ndo ndoshavura ndo sala ndichibophi ufili nenda ndadisa bafili nona wasi bafili babode disa bathu banji ndambudzo mfana wanga ndoni disa ngora netumprovera zvena vani kudisa zvona as a musician usharp mara for uri anga ya bar for bar na
everything that happens is motivation.
Nana muzangela kwa dipa ku documentary na kwa mzanga na mara prada vipra yana
yanga
iswiki afa
yanga
mtuku akupanga voice do chincha
yanga ndediwa yanga dzero unopanga ku voice kwa mwana
eklips ndine wembanga noji ati
wala ukidoto
mara inabe ndani kusa every time number phone zandishi msadzipi ndichamba
clear chata no love the status chofana kana mafunu zote baje
mama na wazikita nini
la upload da chilepe chofana ka pale ko upload rakangi
yo what up everybody, you know what it is, not for Bramaga Mr. O. Reaction, we're back again with another video interview, outer view, whatever's never been done. So we're going to na musi hapa ndina Wukid. I think this already not Wukid, right? But the is already ezacha ngolukwa ro abe ngano dinaka bo 30s, you know. Kwa kabo 40, kwa kabo 50, kwa diwa Wukid dinaka na.
Kula liluwenu ka dimfili liluwenu wana.
Masino no liliyo mera zungu. Mera ngwana.
Una Kid X. Una Kid X.
It is no banga bodiwelana. Abe mtu odiwela ngacho ndo. No chincha zina. Una need.
Mara ba problem with the chincha was coffee pro.
Ngwana batu chincha. Na mwalo chincha from main event. Ngora asa ko inverter. Ngoro ya mwala.
Sure.
Yeah, kama na live video ndio ibona ngombra ndi corrector Catholic amzini na Maxwega na
na Mike Kader tu show
ndareva na ntanganyiseni ngeyo vana va solo we what
the nyaka xitoko ini ani ndili na xitoko jezi xitoko xi tiyudzula shopo
mara no chivona tu ri cha udende chiko odongona kusumuza na muthu wa pala
zinoko then ubona utoda
sure asika zwawe na songo wara ngombona asika yeah man athomi ngona mkalama Binyago zwa binya tomato diva ngamathomoni right or inino bva apantoni ndichisaulo right Mredani so apa Mredani, like how was it growing in Mredani because what wanje vandilokishini after it
no obodiro surround wanga fhethu wa khwine mabra ngwana bodiro tomato ba khwine zwino lero longa chipinga chokonda blind mamna Mredani was kevenga mimobo dzigenge ngwana so if nasa about yokwatha obviously ndodzani kushengedziwa throughout so we're in the rest of our shumisa dzikhani dzashu
so aningoshengedzwa
ne loshengedzwa mara unshengedza uti uzwipfa nayo ri hayi loshengedza siyena ndosha dova
sikomoya
yona so yeah radwa rough blind yeah mara zone
but also na vaimbi vanji ba venda if we could rambango like that time yakale it is no expandable baba chawo chikobvangani ngei Mredani like when kasina yavota chikwamba ngamuziki nibona nganga comes with stronger meanings of the because you are also from there
regardless yori uphi hip hop yotomali in ya venda regardless
like most of the people that go check about vanji bo cool fellow ngani ngei ngamsu professional ndima but it's like neighboring Kongwana vo Adolfo ni vo Jet2 like in the casino what comes by the banji bakobvanga ninge
I think really track ya bomo yotamba rule blind ka bathu banji because I think doing track in Mredani obo uyone ine abahone ne ringari muthu ko to rapper no ngwana so bathu banji bo phela song and then was realize okay it's possible velori ne rap nga Tshivenda regardless yori othomo itwa music lini yeah I think bomo bo bahone ya bomo zvoita uri vathu vanji vane vafuna music vanyaga uita nganenge ikasi yavo utova muthu anenge ikasi uzvona. So I think uri zwithu zwi thoma hanefhala ya.
Okay, so nani nichithoma muzika, was it from Bomo or ova na mungosholo mulenje uri khamusi ngoda ngothoma muzika na ini?
Uri nne ndi thome muzika zwo bva kha Mr Easy.
Okay.
Mara nda ndi tshipfa dzinyimbo dza Bomo. Ndo pfa ndi Bomo ḓo mudadza wo track tharu ndi Bomo ḓo mudadza
aka the Mr Limited.
Aka the Mr Limited. Ndi Bomo ḓo mudadza na Muledane ya Adolf. Na what's this? Na Vimba ya Mizo.
Okay, yeah.
Dzo track dzala ri tshi to dzi ḓivha classini ri khou rap ri khou dzi tafula ṅwana. Na mfeole ya grade 7 ro repisiwa ngeri ri khou dzi dzela dzinyimbo so zwo bva hanefhala mara muthu o to ita uri like ri vhone uri muzika wa Venḓa u possible uri nga u ita ndi Bomo.
Then akona vana vhango vana
then akona vana nane vhane vha hone before Bomo. I just feel uri mara abanga to vana that impact.
Because I think even me ndo thoma utevhela nga maanḓa muzika wa fhano Venḓa na uri ndi hip hop ri sa khou vhala hezwiṅwe because of like ndi Bomo ḓo mudadza.
I feel like
ra kona u thoma u ḓivha uri na vho nyinyi vho thoma uzwi na kana uri dzhene khazwo.
Then if akona u ḓa vhaṅwe vha imbira kona u pfha zwi amba vha imba Venḓa vho ḓala then uzwona.
And then muthu na vho ni tshi thoma obvious na tshi vha khemba nga luambo lwa ḓamuni, right? But now if we go checka na shumisana nga maanḓa na English. Like when did you decide okay sharp let me use a lot of English other than
Tshivenḓa? No, ndi vha ndi khou check uri ndi khou nyaga market wa wide no ṅwana. But khou nyaga uri at least music wangu vho khou pfi Venḓa pho lelo ḓuvha line if it happens nda blow up na muthu ane a vho rapfi Tshivenḓa nga kona u thetshelesa luimbo lwangu swika lutshifhela. Huna dzedzo line tharu dzine dza khou mu skipa mara nga kona u amba uri track ya ru wa mamuna no ṅwana ngori u ḓo vha khou u ḓo kona u catch na dzi lines nyana. Ovo zwezwo fhedzi not uri maybe ndi khou sia culture murahu na mini. I know no edo mafhungo nyaga uri u tshi swika tshifhinga tsho ri ndi aluwa chozi ndi khou tea aluwa hune muṅwe na muṅwe ḓo kona u nṱanganedza uri okay ya thu ndi Muvenḓa mara khou accommodate muthu muṅwe na muṅwe ngozwana.
And then also like it isn't not only Mr Easy, right?
Mr Easy
when I was a kid. So when did you meet Mtunanga V-Boy in that journey?
V-Boy ndo aluwa nayo bra.
Okay.
Uri ri tshi dzintwana already V-Boy no already ngo vha vhangana vha tshi sigila. So obvious vhoṱhe vha tshi vha na vhana ri lingana vha tshi vha na vhana obvious ri ḓo vha mini ri ḓo vha dzimpintshe. So zwezwo ri khou dzhena sigila roṱhe ro thoma ra jive roṱhe ra tamba bola roṱhe ra thoma music roṱhe I think 2009 2010 thoma music roṱhe khathihi then ra vula khuru ino pfi ndi easy now no vula khuru no pfi Untouchable Squad. Yena muthu thoma u recorda kha rini I think over na 4 songs rine ri tshi thoma u recorda then ari dzhia ra ṅwala then ra studio ra recorda ka ḓi to zumbula ro save 10 ya 50 randa ra badela babamba ra recorda track ya short Tom who's the king who's the king your Tom then track yabe ku introduce ka game then uya nepo ra ku soko to push.
So is ukamba zolo like your first track na V-Boy oba hone kana mathomo
yo Tom obonne V-Boy Mad Brainy Easy na Young Piri.
Okay.
That 5 Untouchable Squad.
Okay. So that how you met Bamba also since you could visit because the 10 rand.
Rutanga na Bamba ne pala ko visa dzi unori naye mara ndikala kuita music just that wobosa kusvika fhedzi ro swika on no ndikala chikuita music naye so enda chimbanga chikuwa fhedzi Bamba
chikoro chigwa ndi professor zwino
sorry
ndiko kusumbedzo hey mana ndiwo yone hapo
richada razwita ringa rozwite vula zwite for almost I think 2 or 3 years then atomotended recording amahala ambo the Madhouse yar sign a Madhouse ro project at this rate I mean kela project va rengela na setup ya vhuḓe vhala la ma track abo zwa mtani abo V-Boy ngo mfa ndiko chemelela abo club dance ra kuto bubailwa equipment nga Madhouse.
Okay.
That's why no one uri muzika wono change ukuthi mo bana pick up quality boto mo phala na mina and Bamba wa blind ko master so dangerous.
And then RSR yone because na chikuza bad and kwamba RSR and stuff
RSR record label ya Bamba
yebo nazo ngosana ka Bamba do
no Bamba abasongo sign muthu dito bor auto jiarina ri kha bathu vhane vha record apa V-Boy Manana Beofo na Jack 2 or the recorder kai then ndiyapo Manana chikono dana racha
okay
then ra kono push up vane vha hone vho no kho ḓi ya vha badela mara riṋe vho tori nango check uri okay u bva tshiraya khaye ndi fact ine muṅwe na muṅwe ḓivha u bva tshiraya khaye nayo kho thoma u vhona light kha career yawo uzwana because nṋe bera ri vha fethu izwi zwithanga zwi ngavha zwi tshi khou ita zwi tshi khou repa so ngo ṅwana muṅwe na muṅwe khou ri ṱanganedza mamuna game yo ri vulela dzi nḓila and then yeah that was it.
And then also like in that moment your first music video ndo la wa musi ni khou rwa ndizikuta
calling my name
story
chela someone muna
calling my name so nyako first so dine yako bazo yo baga in the music video why did you decide to do also a music video
electric chip I think manano for projecting a mizo
okay
adana ya studio
hayi
votopiwa haruwane na vibo nga sakhe la project ngwana abamba vazivona uri ntwana dzanga dzokwata mani vabudza vathu vothe uri no machelo ati kuvula studio vada vudza nne na vibo uri vafetu vanga dani studio machelo ndo ando ntwada mini huku ya dangerous mamna ri chitobva
zgila mona khavewe sina madzina vewe afala
ya ri chitobva zgila chincha ratsa bamba ri chiswika ri nga ri record la track ubva nga 3 usike chiri 7 ya because robiya busiku blind ḓuvha ḽo blind then re recorda yabva ya vha songo khulwane mamuna ya vha khulwane blind une a wizide no fhedza u ḓa kha rini avha khou ri avha fhethu vha nga tina camera nṋe mara ndi a kona u edita mini video so shumisani founu dza vheiwe no shute dzi clip no shuta dzi clip ni mphe na song ndi ḓo ni ṱanganisela dzone dza video and that's what we did nda ḓi to shumisa X2 loko dzi button nga matungo kula na shuta nga kukula ra rwa dzi clip then ragaya ba wizi ba ritela zone zwabva vhathu vha zwifuna blind mamna
and then where did you get those there's one dzina ma
the quad bikes ndimwe brand no FIFA tato uri yo lovha zwino ya chidzula block jida yana dzikhwata chichimbira naye ya chidari ji ya rakusoko mona nga matutundu ala mapolisa atatu ndiri badani mapolisa ko ri gidimedza ri ko shava chozi chitora malebera ndo vari bata muranga siri fare ri ko jenoni abajeni vacho siko
ngodi kutuko
vacho yeah so ramudemba naye abvelela then baba ku spina ra ita zwa with the blind bra
yeah so mara that time because you were young no guda hanu driver kuda kutungo abena ngopina vyo na
asa ku reda nne wacho asa reda mne wayo
ayibonele zwa vudi na kayichubu
ndo balendo risando rwalo ngo danda lihulu wacho ompa kwet back ya wala kana rwalo ngo danda lihulu la bor like ina fulana magadi ngaphanda bana ato wa dande le yone sabayisana duza charele zwito hey nalova.
But would you create that music video again now if you now go to the camera and you go to Diabe?
Yeah, with better quality.
With better quality and
everything. With better quality and everything. Yeah, consider.
Because I feel like it's one of the good songs. Let's say we could go perform, right? Yeah, when I go to
yeah.
Okay, it's like an intro or something. But hey, as well
as blind. When I have vision, I go perform. I rather blind really perform, and then so go to feel or hey man. The song I think I'm never 10 years.
The lyrics don't have child.
No, just make a sense, you know. So
now voice a business, you know, now
change.
I
want to and kind of vavuma just.
Yes.
Mara batho ba ne ba ndibakale ba reno ba queen zwino.
Okay.
The first time ben renya manches. Kanti ngori kamse ndiko aluwa na ne. Abacha zwipfo re. Wa bona dowela.
Na ya shanga ya vena vavuma. Na kuḓi aluwa vho vuza dzi tsekele. So J Block.
Sure.
Where is it coming from? Zabdubut.
Never Block J.
I know.
So lot rembusiwa so. There Block J then there J Block.
So I'm not going to pick omo abe pikisana otomapoma pongazi number of 54 55 then 1 2
I know auna ngori ndiko push album yange le SBS unangwe Brian ina kuna crew no College Gang ndiye mthu andi yakha ndikonyagaza advice ngomwana so ilauthi yothoma sokoto post J Block uthoma richipusha College Gang mara bona okay College Gang ngasibe record label let's just make it a company then Rabanara okay J Block is going to be our record label inayaba nga fasi ya College Gang ngotini yabona muri wa visa the branch that's correct it's go visa the branch ngona so J Block it over branch ya College Gang mara ka side ya music then udoba na clothing maybe line inayaba nga fasi ya College Gang so the College Gang ndi mme
yeah
so awuna mtu mpikisa ngori ndi muthu anda shuma naye ane odana dzina lori okay let's just make it asinne ndi muthu anda spana naye
just that you're the brand and then like
okay the brand kama niganga ndine brand ngozibona ndine muthu ane ndingaita uri chithu chitawa nchisvike vathuni ngotavanya mara zwino no vana dzi G block na dzi mini
I know, so
it's
kaini musi ngori ndofa my first ever interview ndeta na Adolf, right? And then ndafa ba Adolf vachikwambura uno upikiswa baba chiri va Mr. Thando avangunyaga mbudza nga nyo so kuti ndopikiswa badi nga machita ngapa mara then nchi Mr. Thando na mina zote so inana anemwa vatu vopikisa uri hey una Mr. Thando ndichizura ngane pana no tungobe I feel like was deserve bra I feel like was deserve like it has to zwinji for rine the artist, you know, so MTYE akuspana blind, so I think as necessary ni mtu mpikisa on the boy akadhi Mr. Mredani charana ne Mr. Mredani ndari yo because Mr. Mredani akolo
Mr. Thando then transformer kono fit transformer Mr. Mredani so atungo netungo benda bonuri ndisuzu ne maybe ndinganyagus challenge I know
no for I just one of those kind of stuff. So and then I want knockout. Mr. Knockout.
Sure.
Nazone zozukubagaza nako knock abadi batu out or
no, just let's go to Badzina, let's go to Vera, Obra like who kid Mr. Knockout. Man, just go to a name. That's what they would then go knockout to Mara. That's what I was doing. Then let's go to a coincidence theory. The moment he lets na liko there ko bana beef it's a buy.
No Racha and stuff.
No, Racha is Ojino. Na chest deck.
And I also want to ask about a
vicious. Na dikelo, na dikelo da double FL rayote. No comes into run out on 66. Din do tendin twana chose. No Marbote like professor will retire. No one about professor will retire. Auna chance knockout.
So na any vinya go chance then at your own risk. You retire.
Don't promise I'm over chibudo.
Don't go out. Yeah, man, and then that name me a knockout. Yeah, don't buy one of fist on a knockout.
Sure.
And then I made some post recently. Did you come did you first on a knockout? I feel like you want to go for Wookie.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I think you commented or something just like hey, the big up to the guy.
Sure.
Nanchamba sorry ndichi first on a knockout and go for version ya Wookie. Do you also hear it like on the format about the
like I seen in North.
Okay.
I wanna the Dumbra you go record na Crazy Freezer. What's that song? Let's record na Crazy Freezer. Femini na.
Is it on Spotify?
Femini. Yeah, I think so. Managa you should bring one first. Ukid Crazy Freezer featuring Ukid Femini that track. Really if real niggas. Do ya then wa Crazy Freezer ukumbuza remna. Ni sound as something no no to sound this you sound as something mama. Otoman ne sound as you know. But I think we like Elia Zina Livia Lije over the chunga chaba kon disa blind bana racha ngona. Anako visa manyimbo no sokisa 10 bako disa mtumti I know.
Ningasha wina bako sokoposa babanje bani. Tatedzi wenda bako nipa chipinga cho
ngongwana na brother. Then I was just like I know let me just leave it. Mara a few years after the tamba na mfei to then raba grande. No song with Spanish with na Ramsey.
There's this section that I started to chat about no, I want to know about it. Then I actually go and check the song.
There's that song. There's that song.
Okay, you guys.
And I even told him, Brian, Verslandly blind. I even told him.
Yeah, and he is very good. He's very good.
Dangerous, bro, dangerous.
Because now I just feel like he's like even a voice, man. Sure. Why? Sure.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe in the moon and if inspiration you wanna can because the niggas is you ambe so it's to then the moon and boots or
the knockout.
Yeah, or why and the moon not decide over so.
But I'm so to close the door. Rashuma man.
No, I don't
want to inspired.
No, I'm not gonna like at it over out in the zone and go teach us some music, you know. I know teachers different B, my bro. Most of the time we go different B. No, and when we go shower in the salon chibopi ufil.
So yeah, man, I don't want to go Amanda beef ya Racha because I feel like no Ambanga kila interview. Right? Yeah, Kabila culture. I feel like you guys can go and check it out. Just go and check it out. Check Wookie. So if you want to know about his beef, I think detail Amanda like that thing. But na beef na ngwambiwa. Inina lanza nzongo post like vicious and 2 Feb. Let me just say 2 Feb. What's going on? Because Bafizi Mbabelo adini mabana Mbabi ni mtu wa
chance. Na those are mine. Ila it was developed zori wherever ndiko tanga na yon. That's when we get respect.
Okay.
No one only mwana mumu wa 2 Feb was the worry. Wherever ndiko tanga na bo ndiko noni mwana mumu wa bra. Until them nation disrespect. No one. So what happened dori? Vicious ya posta ngane.
Okay.
No one. Then I mention you. Killer post. nena mbudza ri fuck you
yeah.
ngwana thunga na tanu kwamba zinju zwinji then vakhumzero ngange ndiri manigamba ri swikete ndiyokani kosemana nga post ngapesa na pesori maravele zinara kuita zvondi kuzidzana mari kwa magonani ngwana ndichitovhunga chama chonda jina studio nda record ngwana
patuba
yeah so ila track yari ichikubva what's that song maganda tiso nda ndichi drop ila song then Fizzy hadivi zori nena vicious ri kudisana nga nthani remain he's just running his mouth ngwana asuka jenada a comment zwithu zwine uku amba zwithu zwine vho ri ha zwiḓivhi nazwo zwi khou bva gai ngwana uku amba nga nne ngwana ndi hanefho nṋe nda mbudza uri hawo ino no tambela vhathu vha si rongo u tambela vhathu vha rongo muna
and then by that time ndo kana nyaga 2 February
nda go nyaga yote because I remember Cash mbo dim phone nda rava na conversation blind aba kwamba rai muna no this what is shabi mama no ngwana mara if ni kon disa make sure ni go that straight so mona mona then I'm respect blind I'm buzo no bro if I was sending shots at you that doesn't send the shot straight that's what I said no ngwana that doesn't send the shot straight ndanga sto ndi chiko nyago to mona hapa nda ko addressa zwe2 Feb yabe kuzwita socially no ngwana ndilozo pfintserwa wana xitaka
ngwana
so araro boku pfini ko nyaga ba cash ndada ndo yakha ba cash ngwana so ndibone muthu ando sala ndiko pfori ndi aba respect for the wanga approach sa khotmani ngwana wanga approach mrathu wavo mrathu wanga why ukuti usuzwa 1 2 3 unori nende divori nena ni regret so the rest
but muthu opakazo ndi vicious
vicious ndino thomo mafungo ndi upfongari wa rapa machuzi ngwana and uramba ngo rap my brother there's nothing ana chitu chine ngari kuchi offera rap game angaba ko offera industry mara rap
nah,
there's nothing bro
but 2 Feb was popping that time like I feel like 2 Feb don't have an thaba chipinga like looking at NFEZ cash flow Jincon Jincon and all the stuff. So I feel like nifanga mara Jincon atavona mtu abifo la.
No, za Jincon zi too personal achizi ngazijene kazo. Zi personal munhu azidiva ro dizwi yamba ngazijene kazo. Ngwana. We must ngelo zona ko nibudza ri kwa dash oponori. If naba ni 5 ni 6 niko pusha chitu chiti. Zwi easy uri ni grow. So I think baba ko wina nepa lori. Vana mtu weimba, vana mtu rapper, vana mtu asakuimba nokuti msoto chuni. Ngwana vana mtu nongeda ngwana vana variety achoose ya zvitu ngwana ngopfa music ya 2 Feb usikari chipelo ngopfa to safana ngwana so ndingasi lupfukisa lo lwimbo I think zonse zoba winisa
on a lighter note nana visa a project na what no bizofia actually bizofia LGBT but now I think bizofia melodic G why like the reasoning behind that
we go way back bra LG we go way back maroto professor kuleta project ya kasi if nanga itechelesa yo besa kasi blind
I know you felt like I listened to it
it was just to write the project maniga it was nabo reason ukuranesa behind
no and why maybe the outsiders because it is outsiders
because ringanda game at we're not in yet that's why we bizori outsiders like msiko akuma unganda awunga ngo
mziko akuma and there's some trick lines there
zikamkumongana
vana vako rozino zintu vana the line is there go listen to it those personas zinoziseva za vatu afala zinozorobandao sometimes when you music right you've been in music for so long right do you have that favorite verse and this is my favorite verse man ever since you findi amwara hey
I know
apando shumava
no I just feel like atutongwara enough my bro I just feel like atitongwara enough and sinichengwa nori chipinga chote if ndiko recorder I always make sure verse yanga emrova if ironga verse yanga na boss auna verse ndangari mara now ndikufunisa verse yanga pressure atitongwara verse now nenda
itina mapungo
not nganthala ina mapungo ina mapungo I feel like ndine verse ndakuifunesa zwino ndine verse ndakuifunesa zvino so
and then more like apalaga pressure because you put a verse in verse no matom if I'm not mistaken like verse no matom utopeza hook of the number jena
ukindi show
and then awana mapungo pia konya kupini visiwe ni galala high mfano wango
mar later stage ndo pfuchi bopfya konya kutopfi track yote ibe bane ba track na feel it wasn't only me but that time shiswika zosvika kha nṋe u tshi khou pfhi ndi
Nivisiwa.
bvisiwa mara hu nori hu nyaga u tou pfhi track iwe vhafhethu vhaṋe vha luimbo na vhafili
So va ku pfuna va killer body va feel vele ai. Va thanga va bya.
like the pressure ya social media just because if nanga to checkela track i tshi drop like muṅwe na muṅwe vha khou amba ngela verse
Yeah, but
almost everyone na vhatondi vho mfonela ri mna funa no ri vhudza ri na ngo to rapa mamla na ri rap and then that's deep uri do vha hu na nyi na nyi ka song
but it's a track na already beat yo ya hip hop. So
the beat
what are you saying?
You know what, that's what I didn't understand muthu anda tshi ḓivha zori una uone ka song ndi mizo
Yeah.
I knew mizo awon because Mexico go poster no I want to make a song in other way artist dza buy and don't want to mizo then the middle person that okay bro since you want to make a song like that give me a verse
Okay.
anga verse mwana mu I think recorda I don't know if you know to mafa verse ya nyinto tomva mwana mu recorda how
Ova verse chibo bat record.
mwana mu fa track chibo but oh so this is what these niggas are on about then if
But
more
what are the feelings?
ngongwana unori bra it wasn't even like that thing yori
I want to kill who?
No.
Just me putting my work.
ndini nne ndikuita spani changa juice ndini nne ndikuita spani changa ndito vori maniga ndi maniga ti asi yakuzivona nga nḓila isiyone
Avana ya fortunate abuse.
hey
And that's no munuli pala. Vana bvisiwa pala.
hey
Apana latiwa pala. Apana
Yeah,
mangala.
latiwa pala.
And abafortunate ababa ngodzumba vho tamba bali upfindi ibvise. Nganyinyi.
ndi ngongwana ende na nyinyi a tshi ḓa kha nṋe uri ango zwi ambisa so cause like uri u tshi tevula zwithu nṋe nda disa vhafili
Yeah.
na wasi vhafili vha vhoṱhe disa vhathu vhanzhi
Yeah, we're gonna talk about that.
yeah ndo disa vhathu vhanzhi then ha kona itiwa hela song after hela track ende ndo disa vhafili so what happened uri vhafili vho ri nṋe ndi kha machine Wookid ri songo if vha vhone vhaṋe vha ri it's either ni khou panga Wookid kana ni khou panga nṋe u khou tea u dzhena muthihi
Okay.
then ene muṋe fortunator uri vhafili vho ri a ri bvise verse ya Wookid
Verse ya Wookid.
yeah so
Zuka muzoni ene muno o cheka re.
ene ndi zwithu zwine zwa tou vha zwinormal zwi real mara ndi zwo tshitori tsha vhukuma ndi tshifhio
Yeah.
at the end of the day
Okay.
No.
I get it. Now, nothing personal.
sure
Dzobva dzimbiri.
Yeah.
But when you're Tom.
Yeah,
And then you're Tom, I think no address amapunga Bamba. What happened between you and Bambas of the world?
zwoiteaho between then you know uri achipusha blind achipusha sa crew so nṋe ndi loyal sa mbia chose so arali na wana uri ndi loyal kha ini and then hela loyalty ini ani khou i badela nga loyalty ni ngo ṅwana u thoma u vha na thaidzo because like Bambo hela project ya Masindi like hela album o drop hela album ni ngo ṅwana i reta dzi tour mabra
ina mafhungo
ngo ṅwana
ina mafhungo hela
reta dzi tour mna ri khou ya hoṱhe like ari khou badeliwa mamuna ni ngo ṅwana mara ri khou stressa ngori ku ḓo zuri ndi
bamba must be wa yo
ngo ṅwana ndi bamba mabra ku ḓo zuri okay ri khou pusha mjita ari khou nyaga tshelede ari khou badela ene muno funa to zwivona uri ai vhono vha fethu vanga like vha khou backupa ri khou dzhia dzi flyer dza dzi poster ri khou dzi phakhela vhathu ni ngo ṅwana uri vha vote uri a wine mini award so ri ita dzi show dza baya ari ngo badeliwa o win award after ḓo vha na not uri ndi khou feel entitled that choose o win award after ḓo vha na celebration a ngo vha hone ra zwi litsha zwa slide vula zwithu okay Bamba ari spanea Bamba atina mafhungo matshelo ko recorda na Rams Bamba ari spanea ai atina mafhungo matshelo ko dropa na music
atina mafhungo kwambo like ndi ntu writers blog
that ko no ṅwala yeah mara matshelo ko dropa luimbo na Rams okay Bamba come to the studio atiyo vhafili vha ku poster vha resara ni ngo zwone zwi tshi votonga rine ri voto kandisla sideline wana that's one habona group ya resara that type mu mkwapa muhulu blanda fedza ndi exit ka group ngo nda fesa no man mbidu yanga ingofola then ro mudisa no wana ni matho to mudisa ndiro zwi address
just like full line
to mudisa ndiro zwi address then ana kona text ndiri mudza ri mna ndo ni vhudza uri 123 no wana tingwita zwithu ndisongo mubudza ndo ni vhudza ni ngomfara sharp nga 123 nisa zwilicho une ndiko to ita mini
so arle kanda nepo ne tomeli ripemela ndi ya vhathu
kichema
ndikubona nthu pipi yawe ndi maluva orengisa maluva pano venda vhathu vavenda varenga maluva mavana vacho
tobano renga
ndo venda rengera mumwe ṅwana mamuna nditere yes metro ḓo ni foinela ma ḓo ni foinela ḓo ni kwama machusi doni kwami ndo venda nyangela kwankwana malume mamuna nga 800 achi kudura badi ndakutonga bokwete ke
Sure.
baby ola mwana jamro makwata badi nathana nangade musi
akotoyanga
endo disolesa tshela ya yona ngapla
No mara hayi nongize
ya kana kale ti ya doni payo repedza doni payo ino pesa interview na no tete no
mpini khiyo ji dosa maro do charge
kopedza mali tole pa doni senayo tine tikotona musi ndinaye mwange rumuni di cable page doni pa cable mnyaka na adapter mamuna ndini pe mulenje nipi nyaka mbili wote
no pa lift what kadri ndo reira nyano ndo mbavo sikapala
indi itoba yona ine yase yeah izoba sharp so emuna rakomba nga mafungo abamba right but then before ini nichita mafungo drop that line addressing on the line did you try to call him na mbudzo emuna ezuzaswa zingode mazwavudi kana zingomfara zwavudi
ramba ngazo before
okay
abo ayona chichino ku change
yeah
no one come if ndawunya kumdisa ndadro mdisa but I just felt or maybe there's address on a bigger platform those one of those which means he issue serious
yeah. But then after the song did he like
yeah dankwa mamudza you know ndisa ndo itanda mubudza the very same thing ine ndumubudza way back
ngomvala nganda mamuna ko shuma ngomudze then jigijigi ngobvisa
ezuko borisa ngori ndi muthu watsinisa ma brand
yeah home
yeah ngwana so
neighbor zawudi wood ngwana then nala verse ya Rovera ya Ramzi that verse what you funa bad man like reception in inches swika kai how did you I love to soul but we feel
and then mune Ramzi ibengela verse marina nenda verse story why
okay
no wana ndita verse yo thoma ine record studio changa mara yasina quality
yeah
ine like yoba I direct na hook ngona
okay.
ya kwamba zvine hook ya kwamba zona yeah then ndicho recordela second verse
yeah
that first story I know man but wanga say receive a verse
I want to change
ndi change man
ndikomba
zothoma ndikomba so zvine azo relevant na song
yeah
ngona ayibenga blind la verse I think change cheto na zvino rabarisa sa to span ngona ayibenga blind la munela verse mana ndenda mfesesa ro
but people were loving the verse
yeah but
even on the comments nanchaka comment za track ka like on the YouTube site nje that like but ba kwamba ngela verse also like some of the comments
yeah nangori musician azifene abafani ma brand
but as a musician mama naona fan chikukhuza something and then
yeah ndo cha upload maybe ningano maybe wana plan the song kana tizoro be ya manana kana be ya Ramzi na mtodo na project ndi manana then respond
and then the process of writing that no trauma and then angora we the process of writing that verse like
it was very quick I just
not Zulane Fala
very quick
very straightforward also
yeah very straightforward record connection da manora ku read wa verse yawo na ndiko dot down achipedza na ndinopedza
yeah and then ina manana ku 44 visa project right new project now comes at mistake
yeah visa project na Masana Records
yeah not 44 visa project
you know mutakazi chima no I'm not I don't think or artist ya fano
okay
aye
yeah so this track ne you know if G's up
sure
right
sure
and then when number something like auna like nukambo like auna lifevi ena langangwisa
sure
na rena wombra pa wabasadzi bonopisa
unolisa
sure ni bonyo unolisa nako defense ni
wani adiwa maniga bora man
also mbra pa sinako reference to manigana
yeah to the artists zote they choose dzine like ba two faced
yeah
no mwana ngapha bambra bruku ngamba bambra chikete mwana so I wish to be a reference
na for no ndiba pe line
yeah ndizondiko pam to line just every song ngandana msindu kwamba ngamya bana kana kwamba zwa personal but if it's just a song ndizo namthu ophakawa
yeah and then on nothing personal hub no pala na Root Kid
sure
why
or nothing Root Kid
because I don't think Root Kid went into something
Root Kid nimfana
because something like I don't want to be rude but this kid is overrated
yeah no Root Kid nimfana wanga ma brand nimfana did worry like ndori before ela song
yeah
ra organizer like non ke ubakale no mwana lamfe nomdiba karesa wazwipa tedze wonde
okay
ro obe adakhane like way back right mna ashu na place nya uri te event mini
Yeah.
ndapedza chifhinga ndiko tanga nayo la mfetu moloni every day nothing happened I disappear ka scene for almost 6 or 7 years
Yeah.
nongwana abuya ra organize session na comfort
Okay.
ra vaya ra ya comfort ra adana beat ra beat ndo idela nabo no sponsor va ngai bulaya adidela beat ya pangi okay rikoti record na idea ya huku nenda ṅwana ndapedza nongwana izindo no fedza uraiva huki apa ndiro tuwa ndiyo performer ndiko vhuya zwino ndiko ṅwana ndiro ngani academic apa lana
Yeah.
okay sharp ajena transit ochima taxi niko
Yeah.
jena taxi ni bavaya nenda zana ndapanga verse apangwana huku jikijiki atofuna we adichamuwana futhi chidoshi ngongwana
Way.
ngongwana adichamuwana
Choja way.
and I think ndingori like ndiko panga verse oba chehone
Okay.
and I got like hip hop it was something in the playground yanga just
Yeah.
ngongwana I think because I think or enobasa kunwala kwenye kuto freestyle I think maybe those zomu set her off or ay
Yeah, do you
zwala bakwete ezwi dori ndiro tuwa
Yo performer.
yo perform mara angu asichabuya
Yeah.
nongwana that's on a fair story ya na mishitangane ndiya mbudzo ra mfana wanga so wara ngezithu onikhwathisa
So when you say overrated now come by on which term? Because nobody said it's overrated.
nah bro like as a musician
Yeah.
usharp mara for angaya bar for bar nah
So when the local fair I say bad to banana.
nah angase bar for bar angase bar for bar just
As a musician,
yeah as a musician the artist ya grand
It's very
she
good.
creative and all that kwamba ka side yanga ndichi check artist ndi checka nga preference yanga
Yeah.
just like the fans ichinitechelesa vanitechelesa nga preference yavo
Yeah.
so that's what I do as well kadzi artist dzote
Because to me, now when the moment Rootkid actually tomo focus on, let me say house or remaking piano and stuff, right? I was one of those people who never disappointed, and I told him I was like, "Yo, man, I'm disappointed. I felt like your sling was going high and those things are ducks." Now I thought maybe in Chamberlain it was because you're also disappointed or ish.
Yeah.
Jita or Tomana Rinenga, but then
ndombudza naye rotangana Snap Sunday ndambudza mfana wanga ndonidhisa ngori anetomprovera zvene ava nikudhisa zvona
yeah,
namana ndombudza naye duva laona Snap Sunday da Snap Sunday chotoma nechoguma chindododo ndapefuma kacho
yeah. Chotomana magumo. Why in Chama Tomana magumo?
ava chance kana
How
vakepa
many badira?
no usino ruba kumbadela asi nenda ndo ndakushuma na comfort ndene wari komdori ni guy ukidi platform rasa konyaka chelede
Yeah.
mara the way ndikufariswa ngayo
Okay.
no man
It was
yeah
not good at all.
yeah no
Okay.
man
So mega sure. But are you ever gonna do piano? Then what like in the final in a go log drum yana fana but it's not necessarily a piano.
Yeah, it's piano,
I think
quite.
you're talking about quite
Yeah, and the quite.
But are you ever gonna do like that piano straight?
rwimbo rwanga
Uh-huh.
no
I want to video I'm going to feature on you can do it.
yeah and zichikobva kuri rukuitwa runa purpose ipi
Okay.
rukuiterwa mini
Yeah. I mean like you now goosebumps was already yeah.
ah no bra no maybe ndina muthu ane rwimbo rwawo rukwamba something
Yeah.
it's actually saying something
I think you once said something also like goosebumps which being funga about the business of Kumara zone.
anane zviyamangadza zvine vavakwambe
I don't have a business of Kumara the ambera.
ito zvona uzofi nzenene ndi mini nazvimani kwamba nganzenene mana ndizonzenene ndi mini
What's good the ambera?
avasokudiyambere
Yeah, man. I think your latest EP in the Gundo, right?
Yeah, Gundo
EP 2, right? Which I love so much, right? Ningas Chambudza. That one track is one
Sure,
favorite.
sure.
But the notion of Muare Fala.
Sure.
Tell me when you talk about Vesela Munda because I love Madaru and Tanja.
hey and azori ila track urive onedi ila track ndi recorder ndi recorder na Jeff Gaze
Okay.
Jeff Gaze ndi khotman yanga so
Yeah.
boda so then aita huku ndaita verse
Yeah.
ndachopela nthu ya ndaipa mumwali ndikwamba if ndoba ndi out ine I always wanna be number 1 ndada ndochincha verse
Yeah, because I'm not connected on
ndonopedza ndamupa mara still achibuyisa verse no matter yaipa blind la verse lunena nizwa kumpa pressure yuri ndichenche verse
Should I
but
change
then
my
I feel
verse?
right no man then go the betray and the moon
Yeah.
so ndasikutoilicha yoraro
Lago. Lago kada. Liamwa tanga, liamwa.
dangerous ni vamwe vathu vane nane ndecheka khavo before ndichita rwimbo okay
I have to do this and this and
Yeah,
this and that.
yeah.
And then I think of father to my kids and what and husband to my wife.
Sure.
You know, and last time I check, and I said, no, sharp.
Sure.
And no one, right?
Sure.
Go
far. Just wanna mkope.
Arena. But then after all the kids, come on,
yeah, nyoba na bana banje just
dangerous. Man kolengo. Akolenga nandi.
Ngolengo. Msazwa bana bana batanu nga
Ndina mafeti mno.
Msazwa bana bana batanu nga ngo 5 ngopha ngwa mwa mumwe.
Ngolengo, mona Thomazina benga 30.
Kana wakati msazwa baba bana bararu ngashimwa chitiya just.
Ngolengo. I feel like nana bendi sorti. They're supposed to end on a man.
No, but I think it's Vako never under Rwanga. The Vargo Samu rebalance it is now an Avashwaru and the Kaka fit to a queen. No one. I'm not good. I'm a baby. Urenga Zembusa Street.
Marona Mavanje. I found I don't know nothing you want to be in the Badisha.
Msazwa na 5 years.
I 4 udago tambu.
Uzibona.
Udago tambu yo.
Uzibona ze.
Kagundo number 1 and not 2. The best thing how did you feel?
I just feel adifani mabra. Number 1 dinga hustle. Number 2 dinga the feelings. No one. So as a fan, you know, the producer guy number 1. Ningai for okay, the pushani, the for my family. No one. The track is kwa kwamba nga hasili. Na usuzu nena kuzitoda. So hela choose your focus anga manda ka the emotions choose no one. Ka butungwa choose so ngasizi compare mara zate the blind. Sichiko pfa ko ri ini niko pfa niko go through me ninge chiping. Oh one.
I prefer to.
Prefer to?
Yeah, I feel like it is not ngomba na bondo no catch the feelings ngongwana.
Then deep because the feelings zanga blind ke la project.
And heartache you carry that as ukumela zitho. That's a true story. Inkumbuza ngothekela mungwali no musa re mungwali awona ndo mbudza ngo etheke bongo zwethu zokuma bala ayacho. So
like
so ngoba kujina mapungo abathu.
Until your tail much is like album your EP hotel.
Yeah.
This is ukuma just EP hotel. That's what ngwala chitu chinaenda kutochumbura. Ndakungwala chitu chinaenda kuchipa.
So ngombe ngombuzo ri la viko roba na vanhu vanokuveka mic yake. La mic ndo zotamba. Man, I heard it was like nah, this one is a real story.
Yeah, this is
one of the first story high.
This is ukuma.
Yeah.
That's what ngwana ngamumbura chuzike la lokela EP.
Okay.
Nah.
And then G Baby ndi news. What G Baby?
Yeah, G Baby ni Gabi. Then umthando wana dzina lori Banzo kai.
Okay.
Uvi Gabriel Banzo. Chifana cha ndi Banzo.
Ndo judging on the process na like G Baby.
Yeah, Gabi G Baby.
Ada kwata bali ngoduba re munangu process na ngira G Baby. I don't know the guy actually.
Yeah, ndumdiwa ndimwa uthi hayi ndothi grand blind. Album yanga ya Slowly but Surely ndo record studio chawo yote.
Yeah, Slowly but Surely.
Yeah, then 2016 ndo record EP no phi Unlock Vendor. Rather the shimsa CD it.
Yeah.
Abane ngo track after then I don't feel Mr Banzo.
Okay.
So what was a delivery? Dzina ndo lulu ko guy. So wana basa kutombidza ri Banzo. You know like track enda kuto ndando daranga lifestyle ya hula munhu.
Okay.
Wana kuchilele kune achilisa zona around na watu wao bana. Achila now then said like nah, let me just make a song about this.
And Jeff Gaze, because I feel like he's also underrated. He was like killing some hooks more.
Ndi mfana ngamba na Gaze Venda.
I don't know. Awaone boromizi bahwela ati. Romeo baone.
Vaimba.
Chris Banger baone.
Vaimba balavana. Ngomburi vaimba mabrand ya vapfuri vaimba.
Yeah.
Ngwana. Vaimba tiko hana. Magizi waimba mabrand. Hey.
Nabe ndikwamba shona no bapfa kuimba basina auto tune.
Ayimbi auto tune
lo auto tune because bangwadolo bo.
Dama ndi voice yawo mabrand. Anyone in life. Then imbe na vachitungu matches. Na vachitungu. Yeah, ndisokufunga zono recordiwa zono
obvious.
Zono jia like voice yawo ngwana.
Yeah.
Muntu achikono master ndi ngwati nofi hunter. Kila chipanga cha mra. Tori yoroba. Ndile muntu anachidomu upfori.
Hey, ngwamba to sokoroba na news no hey.
Ndile muntu anachidomu upfori. Damani one. Not atuko jia chitu from bangoto noimba. No. Baimba mara. Hey, bra.
Lati ya do.
Hey.
Yari do there.
Hey. And then also so obvious.
Yeah.
That's why you know the huku zina zita zo yakondo but what they understand. Because watu kunyanga sing along wanyanga suzino data wanya was dowera ngongwana. So zola muna to the murmini yeah mara Liver Gaze. So
let me flip back to the line, right?
Yeah, back to the line.
Yeah, nana dash instrumentals.
Sure.
And then I producer the whole
EP. I producer Back to the Line.
Okay, yes, obviously nganga one.
Na Who's That utoita okay dzi vocal dza EP yote dzoitwa ngayo.
Okay.
Mara track ya producer from scratch ndi Back to the Line.
Oh,
Yes, that's the one to on project ndamupa then adzi span.
Okay.
Na beat ya Who's That yo master wanga mara seno itao.
Oh.
Itwa nga Savage.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And then connection ugaiwa bana kana chamona mona.
Ari kudiva nga connect.
Awa connect ne?
Ati kudiva nga connect to guy.
Disconnected.
Cuz nomuguma nga COVID ari record clever then after that nah.
Raru mama.
Yeah, ndokurota. Amara music ndi music.
I also gonna be that point when be like ndifabana bo music wako zya mbona 14 ndikolicha. I was gonna be in that point when I was in the age ndi 40 45.
Nah, neti ngadi chinga mimwa.
Na Eminem wona
tingadi chinga mimwa
cuz continuing.
Ningaba mtambi wa blind saka team then avanisa kutamba. Auna need yori nse panda no tamba.
Yeah.
I just feel like appreciation ndio na the story. The first story like awuna zvinoenda kuita zvona.
Yeah.
Sasa zwino like I'm gonna drop my last album. So zdobva kuri album ndakudibvise the determine or am I staying in the game kana ndikubvana yeah. Yeah.
So and then ndanyangobusa zvona zvori what are we working on now? So mushuma na album. Do you have the name yet? Do you have the songs yet? Features yet and stuff?
Ndina dzina if it season.
And when I'm saying like another season coming soon and then
yeah, like
still
album ndingando ni recorder. Bona ndingando ni recorder ruraru.
There's a track about in a post on of who season if coming soon ngapha.
They are take.
I think in that 2 years or something I
think. But 2019.
Ndikale feel
2019. Ngoro recorder.
Afi soon.
Recorder slowly but recorder recorder gundo. Abe gundo yako toba who season. Ngwana manda fesori ati ngwisvikisa nda kuti isvikisa ho.
Because I remember.
Raita gundo. Ngwana. Last year ndichiko recorder gundo yako toba who season. Ndapesa ndoita gundo trungo ati kwisvikisa nda kuti nenda kopori. Ndonya kurisvika ho.
Nene ingashanduka chafi.
Mara now mara zvino. Mara zvino ndi show bra.
Utongodza liko hala uzi ndino liko hana but.
Yalonya kundibvisa kitu chine. China power. Yeah, kuseli dzina rova nalo over 2020.
Yeah.
No ngwana like the album ine kuti pick up achos. So you can't just be like a regular album ine. Yeah. Iko to album ine ita difference ka career yanga.
So na nyimbo zino recordwa ne?
Yeah, na nyimbo zino recordwa.
No yo busani.
Sure.
No open mention about what ka gundo to GKO's hour.
Ka gundo to o producer unabina udenga sichambudza. Ateki
Zukamba zonde and lost it all.
Yeah, our producer lost it all.
All processing was not go feed into
No, yeah, our producer lost it all. Now if father to my kids has been to my wife. Yeah.
Okay. So nichana imal.
Nyazdiwa regardless. Mbia angela.
And then
mbili producer ngaba dash.
Na feature Kulfer.
Yeah, the feature Bafelo. Na
Dimbo Bafelo ne?
Abathukula zwino.
Kodika mzimona natataula be.
Bachaone gaming, bachaone. The feature Bafelo then yeah, it was
yeah. So now you go like okay sharp. Nani mbozo record right for Wusizi. Do you have like definite features nazo no bona ndingambo rekabela ningalebela nyina nyifona. I mean like tukwamba zineza bona zithuba tunomona sokumpa ningamba project na imelesa buya.
Yeah, ninazi features mara badobona album ichipa. Ninazi features mara badobona album ichipa because no plan at least 5 songs, you know, even 10 songs. Yeah. 5 songs then 5 songs has the features.
So like I was saying, right? I said Kare, my favorite project was Ela Rovera, ne? Recently ndo fella verse nika take ya feelings ya
oh yeah, Android.
Yeah, Android.
Sure.
And you were killing it, man.
Yeah, right.
Like, the flow, the everything na my MP.
I was a jana 1 hour mamunete la verse. Cuz I remember the Jivobon sendra yo ni project wa Android. I think 9:30. Ndiko ba kumisa the project. Uvanga bu 8 ya. Yeah, 9:30 ndako ba kumisa the project.
Okay, I should be.
Right, okay, project wa do no wetsa.
And ba
HP ngor ba ife. I think was lo kamba nano pera ba gitonzo no ba busy.
Yeah.
Mbudra ife say fire my brother.
Over there.
Yeah.
R.
Oh, no, sorry. No ngobisa album your pets.
Sure.
Who says it?
Your pets.
Na IP yache.
Nothing. Na singles wayo.
Ngombo ni ngobamze kani.
Yeah. Zdobva kuri album go do performance ende ndadikalela one na. Zvibvana ka marketing wanga so I feel if ndai marketer unaenda kwa for this is as high as I can go and then still ndisawane ila
so let's say you get that recognition in Akonya Gayone na wana hapo unakonya muzika on. That means we're gonna have another EP, another stuff or
nah, the one muzika munjisa. No one, because like there's no, so for example, there's no use yore ni just deal I'm the best player in the field. Mara coach yako nipanga.
Yeah.
Then nabantu kusapanda no tamba ball.
Yeah, namfana aranga hapo betoli church kumbubu.
No, so
okay, you want to be a friend, so not eternity.
Yeah.
So why needs a repeat
Mtapatila. 30. Mwana mo kwamba sara double disc mamna. No, but mara if I talk about rotation, like album ya 15 songs. What's the chance album ya 30 songs?
Yeah. I get what he's saying.
No mwana. Ndio kuna jama nyimbo atareka computers kwa bo.
It's got about season 1, 2, whatever until who's in only then 1 2 so no kodaka zono bakari but hey ndolo umbra ni munelo. And then apart from that there's nothing next, right?
Nah, there's nothing next besides I want to push this album, bro. Like nyango if I like effort yanga yote.
Yeah.
The one or the and then yeah, that's it.
Yeah. As we finish, right? So I want to do this. Ninyago on the dimension another artist and then you're going to tell me something that comes in your mind. So that is the story or like whatever, like whatever comes in your mind. It's either good or bad or story or whatever. If it's a story, it's a story, right? Number 1, Adolf Mr. Tando.
Adolf, Totally let the touches. Zonela zo rappers zirudi walikuzvipa.
Okay.
Limbia.
Like
no one, yeah, limbia. And the lobifa.
The steering.
I
don't know about the black column.
Yeah. And there's no rapper, there's no touches.
Okay.
So don't get it twisted, bro.
Yeah. Metros MG?
Metros MG. Yeah, one of the best rappers alive, just.
Alive, not in Venda.
Yeah, alive. About rapping chikuo to richa.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm about the best rapper I'm saying na kwao.
Okay. Yeah. Romeo the Great White?
Romeo the Great White.
Or nothing?
Nah, why Romeo? Romeo can sing. And with music wabude, bro, like music now with abantu bakona uthecheresa no mana. Ta music wabude why mba tuto borna na tuto ba ka space chine ngari ndiam di red bana mara to ba ka space chine ngari roter ko spenda chipiko na swenda ngamba ngayo.
Ramsey because I don't know shumana.
Tina mafungo nga Ramsey just
nothing.
Nothing.
Aningobvelela.
Nothing. Tingobvelela. Tina mafungo nga Ramsey. Manana. Brazo dare sama. Manana ma bra rachibva pari kwa itsani. Ngamilenja choose. Roba mledama. Back and forth ma choose. Dobe reverse on record. Ngone ba bike ba ko recorda huku, nosika na 11 ba record huku bi 5. Ngodo ndo wana huma ngamilenje ngazi chimbilo swi.
Ndo machiro futhi.
Ni kumena macheni ngwana ba kuita dzi backup. Emna ro chimbila sana manana bra, ro chimbila sana loud blind. Ro asilasa.
Okay. Jig 2.
Protection just.
Yeah.
Uthenera bad. Uthenera jena one akuna mtu anangarita chitu.
Msiliwa.
Akuna.
Yeah.
No mwana. And irrespective well out. Nanga makrotman. No mwana. Awuna ri ini ninga struggle nga something ba jiktu ba chinga kono ri ba chi solve chitu. The nigga just. No mwana illoyal.
Bamba.
Bamba ni bamba ni mphandi. Lo professor. Lewo professor
ndobeni kwato basa nevizika show yabo la bembe
abombidza ndayange ndakutobvisa kuti ndigundo 1 ti ndigundo 1
hey usizini
ana bichibva nothing personal mndira imuna ndori ndipangana dzinyimbo dzangu nsongo submit mamna azaza ishmara ndo baba isama
baiza fala
azaza ishndo baba isama ndaza kunyangoro baba isango rala
ish
I wanna, but it's life.
Bomo.
Ish. Unlimited, bro.
Yeah.
Bomo, Josie. Ngumbe interview and I tell na Black Couch.
Yeah.
Ola muna ngaba rwamba almost 1 hour, just. Achi compare like information in our industry.
Yeah, because I knew after that moment, after the interview, you can even call you.
Yeah, umponela mamna ra. Hey, ramba zungu tuzvingi zonda nisazvidivi mamna.
Yeah.
Zonda nisazvidivi ndapfe story. Zviambori rineri kusokota music arina ndava na culture yasho ukotangana mimi ngori vina je kutanga kwa ndikwa state kana ndikwa Pitori na kuudzisa okay ndombudza Pitori chibva gai but then ṱalutshedza tshone in
even
details
apia uzopia nato magaza
but then ṱalutshedza in details mara na dzhia muthu afha na mudza okay ḓo mbudza nga Venda rap a tsini vhudze next fokola chose zwone zwi does realize uri vhathu vha ḓivhe nga game ya chose aba kill out mara uri na dzi documentary nga ḓo mbudza ma flip disk uri na ma flip disk ola munna a dzi documentary dzi vha dzi shoota kale nga vhoma 2096 u ḓo dropa documentary ya hone ene munno no vha right Mizo
fair
ha Mizo fair talented actually
very
china talented
na ḓo ndi khou posa amazani vho ḓi kam ṱoḓa muguzi wa juice
and like no like besides the fact uri muona na kutshilele kwawo ri nga si shy away ka fact uri una talent no and ri nga si shy away for zwithu zwine ono zwi ita for industry ya Venda yeah so that's it like zwinwe zwa personally bo saga la uri hwalelo
Tufebe as a whole
Tufebe not kana now there's nothing I can say about Tufebe on disappoint la maniga matches the funga and then aba cash tell la maniga on disappoint
okay last two are really cool fair
Buffalo
because I know ni because
Buffalo banda rated but I don't think maybe kandi bone bane vhathu vha sokupanga mushumo wa enough
vha khou underrate
vha khou nga underrate amona Buffalo Buffalo ofuna apalo ne mizwa ba hona ofuna dzi so dzi loud dzikambambenti kusumbulani nga tshifhinga tsha album ile ya mizwa une la track le ya dipa ile number liko rweze le ambo dibva album ya Buffalo ile asi muthu wa zwigodo na zwichere ngwana ofuna dzi so dzi loud matches
na zwikandeledzi nga
ngwana ofuna dzi so dzi loud funa Buffalo bukombo nga mizo kombo nga Buffalo yeah
last one because it's your homeboy V-boy
avibona impengo V-boy
Como não penga nebo wote como zo ba penga
betri ni wireless achifari chiticha vale telecom fare chiricha waje ya fana ungathula matanzu yayi fana waka there's ndinaye machozi alingakobe ndizokumgungulela azingakona dzeyezo mfana ndiko nipfa machozi ndiko nipfa mara after 30 minutes zora riko lwela zwone zikoitiwa futhi mandi Brian achozi ndo mudowero to rala ngongwana and as much as he wants to change angasukuvuwa sokutori I'm a different person today you know ngwana achidiva ndi betere
before vala interview ne I want us to go da zwino mumbulonso ninyango comes into budzanga influence ya Chifo Charge on Vendro because ndikofatwa bachikwamba ngayo la mno influence but if you know something do you have any like influence la munhu
I think ugudisa bathu vasongoimba ka instrument za downloads
okay
I think tomoto produce la mona tomo hosta the events ngwana like mona munwa acho nyangori aye double FLR
okay
munwa just mona munwa nyangori okay nyangwa double cause chona chuncha chichava just
okay
asina chitu china for the rich kids
rich boys vana group ya serious
ndo to yaruti imacho zaskwa raimiswa geteni usko chipedza rekodiwa
no linda
chakamara the cheese boy ubajete ndo natosha ndo dola cheese boy mundato wa cheese boy panda ngati mtodi
how feel that Porsche
no we the record ya choose
okay
mwana rakwala na manana ngadza mukati swakala to imagete ende kuti mageteni kamsana ndi apa remiswa khonani yangi fanane apa rokoda munzo wanega ukora mama I think there's a tomona beef na double FLR yeah
zoko bya zwinji za number zakho
no no dziabuya mna ka industry
yeah by the way that was all we had to say I think rokoma manje ngonda sonyanga urikomesa ngamafungwa ndo nataka interview bro because I to be akalewo ndi azvino so I thought maybe ngori bathu vakadona memory lani apart focus on some of the stuff sinakamza ngokwama ngazo I don't know if you have last words for the camera
ready na usizini never zdiva like asi Venda rap and hip hop so it's that abandele ngadropa nga June the announce a date and hip kati ya me yoroke ku dropa in rono ba shokos uto mara bana selection reta min ra prepare the video not that before it dropa ta PR ra make sure at least chona chimwe chodzula nga line urina ndeni songo so zifene zido push album and I have to do something so that's it bra
yeah man vasongwanga zo mujiwa video ndi RR photographer na mkala ndi for Mr. Reaction and we are
out abakhathe oh